Hola clase. Today we will be looking at pronunciation of the letters B and V in Spanish. In Spanish, they sound the same. They have two sounds, but both of them have those two sounds. So they're not distinguishable in most variants of Spanish, B and B. This leads to, for example, native Spanish speakers often struggling in spelling words that contain these letters if they're unfamiliar with the word, such as vergel or verbena or verso. Verso, verse is V-E-R-S-O, and verso kale is B-E-R-Z-O. In Latin American Spanish, the Z sounds like an S. So if you hear these two words, verso, you don't know if I'm saying the verse of a poem or kale, unless there's context. Cómprame verso en el supermercado, probably kale. Léeme otra vez ese verso, is probably a verse. But they sound identical in Spanish. So you'll go through this. I'm not gonna play these or repeat the theory for you, since you need to study this on your own. But both of them basically sound like the B in English, boy, B, that's one of their sounds for both letters, B, B. And the other sound is like the B, B, but without closing your lips completely, V, V. So, bien and V, haber, haber. Ver, haber. Those are your two sounds for both. So, haber, notice, I'm going to say two different, one is a word and one is a phrase. They're two different things. See if you can tell the difference. Haber, haber. You can't hear them, you can't tell them apart. One was A-V-E-R, two words, haber, let's see. And one was haber, H-A-B-E-R, to be, the to be of existence. The infinitive of the verb I that you learned before. Again, I'll say both of them. Haber, this time I said H-A-B-E-R. Remember the H is silent in Spanish. And haber, A-V-E-R, haber. Which one am I saying? Haber. Bien. So practice those, listen carefully. This is one of those areas where English speakers have to practice quite a bit in order to master these sounds. You'll do an exercise here. You can practice reading these out loud. I've used bold letters and bold italics to tell you what sound it is. You can read through this to figure out what sound, and then try pronouncing these out loud. For example, salvadoreña. Mi mamá cocina comida salvadoreña. No todas las veces. No todas las veces. The veces. Not the veces. De vez en cuando. De vez en cuando. Bien, so practice these a lot, and you're going to record yourself saying them as well. Nos vemos en clase. Hasta luego.